Hi, my name is Mohammad Esmaeili. I currently live in Toronto, Canada, and this is my final project for CS50. It's called Time Proof, and today's date is 6th November 2025. So I built this iOS app to help students track their attendance and kind of to motivate them to kind of be punctual and be on time, because I see and I know that many students struggle with this, and I think with a little confidence and little motivation, that can keep them up and really make a big difference in their student life, even for work or even for going to the gym. You can use this as a motivation for any steps or plans you have in your life. And I kind of got this idea from the Duolingo streak method and structure I will be so I've been working on this project for over 3 or 4 months. I even started before this week, so I was kind of happy that for the last project we can do whatever we want. So I wanted to show you guys what I've done until now. I've done more, but sadly some of the code got broken and I didn't know how to fix it because I'm still not that advanced in I wanted to make my app online and using so many different stuff that I didn't study properly enough for, and don't think I'm ready yet. So I kind of stopped my code at there and I kind of lost my hope. So I started this program again and I'm kind of learning while I'm going, so learning more. I've learned a lot using YouTube and also from my computer teacher in school. So yes, until now everything's been great, and I hope that one day I could really publish my app because I really want to help the students. So if I want to explain what Time Proof does, so Time Proof helps users to stay accountable. So each day the students go to the school if they're on time. So we have the real timetable each day. Each day the student opens the app and take a real-time photo of themselves in the class. So there's no option to open your gallery or upload a photo from before. There's just one option. You can take a photo right now, just take a picture, and then they can upload it. And after that, if they keep their streak for the whole semester, there will be a draw and people can win prizes, anything. They can win money, they can win free food or whatever. I think this can be a really great motivation, and it adds a time strap and track their streak, kind of like Duolingo does. If you do it for every day, if you practice to be punctual and get better and better, your streak gets more. And I also want to add kind of like a leadership, so people can also see how many students in their school or in their institute are being punctual or winning prizes, so they would also get kind of the competition vibe that makes people kind of want more and kind of try to achieve those goals. And the idea is to build a habit of showing up, whether I said it's school, gym, or anything, hanging out with your friends. You can use this for anything. And okay, let's now dive into the future. So I have until now I haven't made Homebrew wrapper. These are for future, and also my StreakManager, I haven't made that yet. So most of my codes, I'm coding in Xcode right now, and I'm using Swift, and I've used mostly UI kit for layout. And yes, we have content view, which is basically the login page here. and at the first I was really having a big problem with the color mixing. It looked very weird, and also problem with, you know, framing and kind of make it neat, you know, because login was at the top and the others were at the bottom, so it took me time. So actually, as I went through week 7 and 8 in Cs50, and we went more in SQLite, JavaScript, and all those web programming languages, it really actually helped me to build more on this project, even though Swift is kind of different, but at the end they're built on the same structure and logic. So here I have just a fixed username and password for now, but I'm gonna let the user choose their own, of course, their username and password. For now, I just use time proof and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can show you also the page after the login. So okay, so for now I just have hi time proof, and then enter your name. You can say Sam. Nothing actually happens yet. And then I have current streak, which is 0. And then I have the upload photo, which when you click, it says you can take a photo, but you can't actually take a photo yet because this is just a demo app and not an actual app. I need to really add a back here so they could go back to the streak. That's so if I want to explain all other files, we have home view controller. This is basically for the page after the login. The enter your name, the upload a photo, all of those layouts and backgrounds. And the photo upload view, this is it. And then the photo upload controller. I know there's a lot of steps to go, and this is not a really assignment and step to go, but I'm sure one day soon I'm gonna finish it before I start my university. So stay tuned and stay punctual. Thanks Cs50 for everything. I've started the course last year December, and I really wanted to be on trace. Don't want it to like do the course so fast. I really wanted to enjoy it, because after each lesson, I think if you want to really learn the things that been in the weeks, you need to like kind of research more, do more practice, kind of dive into each lesson, because there is a lot actually going on. And it's been really great being a student of Cs50, and I will always remember. I don't think I'm gonna always remember. I need to really practice because there is a lot of things going on. But I will always remember the memories and each lesson that makes my brain kind of say, wow, now I know how this happens. Now I know how these mistakes get happen. Now I know how this thing works that I didn't even think about before. So all of these things are really important to me, and I'm really thankful for Cs50 that give us, the students in every country, doesn't matter where in the world, to have this opportunity. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.